guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix one of the most annoying error in ChatGPT. As you can see guys in my screen, our system has detected unusual activity from your system. Please try again later. So don't worry, I will guide you step by step fix it permanently. Okay, so this error usually happens when ChatGPT detect too many requests coming from your system or your IP network. Okay, look suspicious sometime. It caused by VPN, browser cookies, or even malware. The good news is this guys, you can easily able to fix it. So let's get started. First, try this quick temporary fix. Open a private incognito window in your browser. So if you are using the dedicated app of the ChatGPT, just close the app. And if you are using the ChatGPT in your browser, you need to use the ChatGPT sometime in the incognito tab as well. Okay, like this. Or if you don't log in into the ChatGPT, so just need to log in. Or if you already logged in into ChatGPT, just need to remove your account from the ChatGPT and add it back. Okay, so this usually bypass the error because old cookies and the session data are not loaded. If it worked, you are good for now. Still the problem was not solved, you can try the next method. If you are using the ChatGPT in any web browser, you need to clear your web browser caches, history, cookies, everything. Okay, go to your browser settings, go to privacy and security, and go to delete browsing data. Especially you need to clear the site data, means cookies and site data. Okay, and then select the time range all time and then delete it. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your phone device, whatever you're using, restart it once. After restarting, open the ChatGPT. Now it will definitely work very fine on your device. Okay, now you can log in normally without seeing this error again. So one more extra tip I will suggest you: avoid sending too many requests too fast. Don't use free VPN, temporary VPN with consistently changing IPs. Okay, scan your system for malware if the problem persists. Okay, if the error continues, wait for a few hours and try again. If you are using the ChatGPT mobile app, now you need to clear the app data, means caches. Go to app info and here go to storage, clear the caches. Okay, and if the app update is available, just you need to also update your app. Okay, open the Play Store or App Store, whatever you're using phone, open it, and if the app update is available, just simply go ahead update your app. That's it. This step will definitely fix this kind of error, and make sure does not block you again. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone facing this same problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.